we really felt from day one that not only you, but the entire team really sort of took ownership of this as if it was your own. And I think that was really amazing, because you would expect that from somebody that you work with and somebody that's in your payroll, but you really don't expect that from someone who would treat this as a project.
What I've told our team is this is probably the most impactful project that we've gotten to work on, of just doing good for the public and for those that really need it.
Basically, for a long time, we have been thinking about how we can engage our patients. And really, there's not a good way for them to engage with other folks that have gone through similar things.
There's lots of websites out there that are patient forums where people can go and ask questions, connect with others who have or have had breast cancer. I think the added value we see in Breast Cancer Patient Connect is that they can also connect with physicians and social workers, hear what's going on in breast cancer research.
I did interviews, I think, with like 7 different women, and it was like so impactful. It was one of like the most like inspiring things that I've ever done, getting to talk to those women and hear their stories, and talking to the doctors, seeing how much they care about the patients and they wanted to like give their time. It was so inspiring for me, and I can't imagine how inspiring it would be for people who are even closer to that situation, who are also going through it.
We didn't want to do the whole just splash paint everywhere, and wanted to kind of elevate that. Can you speak to your vision for the design set?
And like Joe said, looking at a lot of these, sites that already existed, and the other resources and things like that. Like, although there's a lot of great information out there, we definitely wanted to make something that was, that looked cool and that people could come to and feel like, they could trust.
From our perspective, this is not our core competency, right? We have what we're trying to accomplish, but I think that was the faith we had, that the team understood what we actually wanted to accomplish at the end. So, because I was afraid that this is going to be something that is, pink, and it just sort of looks like everything.
Right.
But I think even the small little things that look initially, a template or a way to log in, these are very important components that you don't come to appreciate, until you kind of go through the process.
Understanding the power that the user had by just having a profile on the site. So you can kind of build that sense of community on your own. Just being able to communicate with people in similar situations was, I think, really cool to see.
So where do you guys feel BCPC, Breast Cancer Patient Connect, is going, and what's next for the platform?
We always say that this is a tool that is powered by Northwestern, but is intended to be a community-wide resource. So thinking kind of on a larger scale, how can we nationally make this known and as a resource there as well?
But I think we have more work ahead. I think we look at you guys as partners.
I feel like it's been such a great relationship of just your vision and with our execution, and just being able to support you guys. And I'm really proud of the end result.
Beyond anything we could have ever come up with ourselves. And so we really appreciated your partnership.